To fix Venmo declining your credit card, start by understanding why this issue occurs. Venmo may decline your credit card due to several reasons, including insufficient funds, incorrect card information, expired or canceled cards, or security restrictions imposed by your bank. First, verify that your credit card information is correct and up to date. Ensure that the card number, expiration date, and security code are accurate. If you have recently replaced your card, make sure to update the information on Venmo. Next, check your credit card balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. If your balance is low, consider adding funds or using a different payment method. Additionally, confirm that your credit card is active and not canceled or suspended. If you have recently traveled or made international transactions, your bank may have flagged your account for security reasons. Contact your bank to confirm if there are any restrictions on your credit card and ask them to lift any temporary holds. To resolve the issue on Venmo, go to the app, navigate to the Payment Methods section, and remove the declined credit card. Then, add the credit card again, ensuring that all information is accurate. If the issue persists, try using a different payment method or contacting Venmo support for further assistance. To avoid future declines, regularly review your credit card information and update it as needed. Monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank. By following these steps and maintaining accurate information, you can resolve the issue of Venmo declining your credit card and ensure seamless transactions in the future.